Hi there, welcome back to our Flow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Cinch, which is basically a platform that allows you to collect all of your customer data in one place. And that way, they will be able to use that tools to provide you data such as spending habits, pricing sensitivity, or purchase likelihood, and things like this about your customer. So, first of all, we can see that the headline is quite clear and the subheadline is very transparent about how the business software functions. Um, if we scroll down, we can see the instant element of credibility in terms of the software of the companies that they've already worked with. You see more than 4,000 locations across different industries. And then here it scrolls more. Well, here it talks more about Cinch being able to seamlessly gather and optimize data to unlock customer patterns and cover key opportunities. Okay, so basically they say that this is results in a more meaningful connections and strengthen loyalties for your business. And here they talk more about the challenges that you might have in terms of for retaining and collecting customer data and how this platform is actually able to solve all these problems. If we scroll down even more, we can see all the features that they have, like email, text messaging, direct mail, all the reviews, and all that stuff. And here we can see all the customer stories that you can go read for credibility. And here we've also got more in-depth reviews about these two companies using Cinch and being satisfied. Okay, so they've also got some really good frequently asked questions. And these are good to help uh, remove any concerns that prospect might have and handle any of their objections. Right? If we scroll down again, we can see that this is the end of the homepage. Now, they do have a compare section here where they say how this is different from the competitors like Klaviyo, HubSpot, or Rinse. And to that, I would say this is very helpful for helping the customer make a purchasing decision, but it might be helpful to add this directly at the table above in the actual homepage. Also, um, I guess at the top of the page, and might have potentially added a contact form to increase the number of opt-ins by simply incentivizing the prospect with, for example, a big magnet or a freebie or a discount. Well, just for completion, we can go and check on the pricing. Um, you can see that it's locked behind a sales call, right? You have to call the actual representative to get a quote for your business, right? And I guess that's helpful just to identify more qualified leads. So yeah, this is basically everything. You can see even more credible testimonials from these two people that, and they're also showing the actual company that they work for. Okay, so this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a B2B SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to um, to see if I can help you. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.